Hello guys, here's the next update for the Unity Low Poly Game Kit Pro, to which I added some dungeon, lava assets and a game over screen. In the prefabs folder you can find now two new pillar models. The first one is undamaged and the second one a variation with some damages. There are also three wall parts, a clean wall, then a second one with bars like you know it from dungeons, and a last wall that again has small damages. In the scene I combined these prefabs to a kind of dungeon area that you can see here. The prefabs have matching colliders attached so that you can use them out of the box. In the front of the dungeon you can see this lava pool which causes damage to the player when he is entering this. As trigger you can use a sphere or a box collider depending on the shape of the lava, which is just a plane that you can add to a terrain with a sunken area like this one. This terrain part is also included in the environments folder of the prefabs in this update. The lava prefab can be found in the folder Interactables. It is added to the free version of the game kit as well. So let's see how this comes out when we start the game. There's a low poly particle system added to the lava prefab, and when the player is entering the lava pool, he's taken damage pretty fast. Now we'll stay inside of this lava pool till the player dies, to show a new feature that is added to this update. When the player is dead, a game over screen appears in which you can decide whether you want to restart the current level or to quit the game. This new game object and prefab is called Game Over HUD, and of course you can adjust the UI as you like, for example add new sprites to the retry and quit buttons, change the fonts, colors, text, no problem. The main functionality to restart or quit is added to the on-click events of the buttons. The retry button calls the method retry game of the game manager, and to the quit button the method quit game of the game manager is assigned. This is a very simple game over logic, and in the future version this will be extended with level management and stuff like this. Alright guys, I hope you find this update useful and you like it, and if you like this channel don't forget to subscribe to be notified about updates for the game kit and new game development tutorials. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.